Hello everybody and welcome to our second virtual PL assembly. I hope you and your family are well. This week I've kept the PL tartan, but I've added in a lockdown haircut. Our main item today is a message from our office staff, who our students see all the time, of course, when we're in school. They're keeping the school going just as much when we're out of school, and a big thank you to them all. I hope you enjoy it, and until we see you again, stay at home, of course, keep safe, and do the right thing. Proud to be PL.
You know the tears are rolling down your face, and it feels like yours was the only heart to break. And when you come back home and all the lights are out, and you're getting used to no one else being around,